how to solve the issue of your iPhone running slow. Hey guys, welcome back to Phonebulance, and in today's video we're going to show you how to solve the issue of your iPhone running slow. But before we get started, I've got a little challenge for you that'll take just 5 seconds to complete. So here's the deal. You just leave a like on this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll never have to reboot a frozen phone ever again. So go ahead, try it out. Have you noticed recently that your phone is running super slow? It might seem like it's on its last legs, but it can't be because it's not that old. We've all been there, and it can be so frustrating when your phone starts to bug out and isn't as smooth as it used to be. And you've probably heard the rumor that Apple makes older phones slow when new ones are released so that people are more inclined to buy the new iPhone. And while that is technically true, your speed issues might be completely unrelated. So here we have all the tips and tricks on how to solve this annoying problem. Sometimes the reason your phone is so slow is because the storage is full or close to full. One way you can get around this issue is by deleting old photos and videos from your camera roll. If you can't bear to delete them, just transfer them to the cloud or to your computer. This will free up storage in your iPhone and subsequently speed up your phone. Although, keep in mind this may not be a long-term fix that'll speed up your phone forever because there may be other issues. Another way to make your iPhone run faster is to delete old apps or apps that just take up a lot of storage. If you go into your iPhone settings, then General, and then into iPhone storage, you can see which apps take up the most space. By seeing this, you can delete bulky or old unused apps. There's probably ones you've long forgotten about. When you delete these apps, you'll free up a significant amount of space, and you'll notice that your iPhone will not be as slow and run much faster. Deleting apps is the same as deleting photos. It frees up space so that your iPhone doesn't need to work so hard. By deleting old message threads in iMessage and clearing Safari's cache, you'll free up more storage space and your iPhone will thank you for it. Well, not literally. Deleting old message threads is just deleting old conversations on your iPhone itself. iCloud stores these messages online, and it can take up a lot of space on your iPhone that you weren't aware of. This is the same with Safari's cache. It can take up a ton of storage that you would usually never need or probably ever notice. Safari's cache is a store of data that your iPhone keeps when you visit a website. Your phone will store that website so the next time you use it, that website will load instantly, instead of having to reload the website from the internet from scratch. Safari's cache is easy to delete, so don't fret. Just go to Settings, Safari, then clear your history and website data. You'll be seriously surprised how much data the cache takes up. By deleting old message threads in Safari's cache, you'll certainly make your iPhone run faster. You probably haven't realized this yet, but your phone may be set to automatically update apps. The reason your phone could be running so slowly is because in the background your phone is trying to update apps, and you're trying to use it for other things. Your phone is basically being overworked, and it can't run as smoothly as usual because it's doing a million tasks. To give your phone a break, you just need to go into the App Store in Settings and then turn off automatic updates. This should stop your phone from becoming slow at random times. Your phone may also be running slow because you have a ton of apps still open and running in the background. Just like with auto updates, because your phone is doing a million things at once, it can't keep up and ends up dragging its heels on everything else. To solve this, just close all the apps on your phone by either double-tapping the home button and swiping up, or by swiping up and then swiping all the apps up individually. It may not be the main reason your phone is running slowly, but it sure will help. You should also check your phone settings to see if you need to update the software. Most software update fixes bugs that can make your phone run slow. If the update is a minor one, it should solve your problem, but in some cases, older iPhones can't handle large updates and it may fail. If this is the case, maybe an upgrade is on the cards. Check your settings in case an update is available. That pesky notification you've been dismissing for months may actually help. So far, all the solutions have been pretty quick fixes, and they may solve your phone's issues of running slow, but sometimes it may just not work. This just means your phone is on its last legs, and you may need a replacement. If you can live with your phone running like an old man, there's no need to buy a new one. But who in the world wants to wait 2 minutes for an app to load, or for your phone to catch up with you typing? It's annoying, and everyone wants a fresh, smooth, and fast-running phone, so purchasing a new iPhone may be your only solution. Expensive but worth it, right? And that just about wraps things up for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Have you fixed your old, slow phone from these tips? Let us know in the comments. Do us a favor and please smash that like button. It'll really help out our channel and it won't cost you a thing. Don't forget to tap subscribe before the next video rolls so we can keep bringing you awesome content just like this. We'll see you next time.